Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Binance coins. What am I expecting on Binance coins? I'm expecting more of like a bearish move on Binance coins, and that is because if I zoom in a little bit, we can see on the right side, on the left side, there is an imbalance right at this level that hasn't been fulfilled yet. So there's a possibility it might come down there to fulfill the imbalance. But as of right now, let's just go to the current price action. And what am I seeing on the current price action? I'm seeing there's a possibility that we might push up a little bit, because we can see right at this level right here, there is an imbalance around this level, and impose a correction, a possible continuation to at least my first target, which is around, let me zoom in a little bit, my first target, which is around this level right here. This is my first target right now. But I said if you watch my previous analysis, I said we might push up to at least this level right here. This was my level that I thought we might push up to, and that is because we can see there was a weak rejection around this level. So sometimes price action come up to that level to at least retest, either to retest fully the week, long week, to fill in the week, or at least half of the week, right? So I was thinking there's a possibility, and that aligns with my 88.6% fib level. So I said there's a possibility that we might at least push up to that side to continue, and that will probably give us like a first touch of trend line, second touch, and a possible third touch of trend line around this area before we now continue to the downside. That was a possible move that I said. But like we all know, no one knows the market and can predict the market 100%. We analyze based on the current price action. So as of current, what am I seeing right now? I can see a little break of structure around this level. If I zoom in, I can see a break of structure around this level. So there's a possibility that we might push to the downside. That's a possibility. Around this level, you can see there's a break of structure around that level. So that's a possibility that we might continue to push to the downside. But before we think we can push to the downside, I would prefer it to at least reject off. Let me use this one, and let's see. So let's see how that works out, to see how we might reject off this level. So in case if it does, though, if you don't continue to push up to around this level that I think of, we might just come down here first. So this is a possible move, because I saw a break of structure like I mentioned. So this is a possible move that we might just continue to come down, because we can see here, this is if you look in here, right, this is a significant zone. It has always been rejecting of the zone. So that's a possibility that we might just continue to push down instead of moving directly to this upside here. So we might just continue to move down. But if to see that, we will have to watch if it's going to continue, and you can see continuing to at least this level right here. And this level, we can have first touch, second touch, a possible third touch, and my third touch right here aligns well with my negative 61.8 fib level, which is really great. So that's a possibility that we might just continue to push down to this level. Then the touch might make us go up. That's a possibility. Then before we now continue to the downside, that's one possibility. And the second possibility is we might push down to this trend line, break this trend line right here, we test the trend line and continue to the downside. So that's another possibility on Binance coins that I'm seeing. But as of right now, I think we might see a little bit of push to the downside before we now continue, because of what I think I saw here. There's a break of structure of this trend line right here, and it broke this structure as well. So that's a possibility that we might, it's a break of structure that possibly just coming down. Let me just try and see this. Yeah, and I'm still thinking it might still get up to this level right here, and this level right here is an imbalance that needs to be filled, and that also aligned my negative 27%. So what I'm seeing right now, let me just delete that so it won't be too confusing. So what I'm seeing as of right now is right here, I'm seeing there is a possible move to at least this level right here, to now continue to my target, which is right at this level right here. So that's my my new analysis. This was my previous analysis that I thought might happen, but because now that we've broken structure, let's see the new analysis that I'm thinking of right now. Then when we get to this level right here, that will determine if you're still gonna continue to push up, or if you're just gonna break the structure and move to the downside. So let's see, maybe it might come push up a little bit here. I'm seeing it might just come here a little bit, like retest that trend line right there, to retest the trend line right here, and that also fill in the imbalance. Those are the confluences I have. Retest the trend line, retest trend line, yeah, imbalance field with bifala, and that also, if when I use my film, that also aligns really well with my negative 27% fib level. So these are the confluence that we might get to this level right here, then continue to push it. So that is just my general thought on Binance as of right now. Then if we break this structure right here, then there's a possibility that we might just continue to push up and push up to like this target that I thought, around this target. Then that will determine what next we are going to be doing on Binance. But as of right now, this is just my overall analysis on Binance. So guys, hope this is insightful, guys. Please don't forget to share, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.